We have caught 5 plus 10. 5 with the help of the local fishermen from South Goa, Kolva, Banauli, that belt, and 10 vessels when our petrol vessel has gone patrolling.
ओके मॅडम हे खंयचे कितले खंयचे म्हणजे मालकाचे सगळे
Yeah, most of them are from Karnataka.
ऑल आर कर्नाटका
Yeah, all the vessels here, I won't be able to tell you exactly whether they are from out there, but they are from outside the state because they have not yet come to the jetty. But as of what the officers are saying, it is Karnataka vessels.
कितले फिशेस कितले टनान फिश
No, we wouldn't know that, no, unless the boat comes here and then auction is done. Then we can ascertain what it is. But mostly what the officers are saying is that it is only sardines.
ऑल सार्डिन्स
Yeah. So, but we don't know. Once the boat comes to the jetty, then it can be ascertained.
Any armed force?
What is it?
कोस्टल आणि खंयचे डिपार्टमेंट आशिल्ले
Yeah, so the coastal police and the Department of Fisheries. And earlier the local fishermen at Banauli and Kolva, they assisted in the operation because we took the help of their vessels. Because by the time my petrol vessel goes from the Panjim to Kolva, the fishing vessels may have gone from there.
ऑल बुल ट्रॉलर्स ना
Mostly trawling.
ऑल देयर इज नो आयडेंटी फिशिंग एंड ऑल
No, it's morning time, no?
ओके मॅडम आणि काही दिवसा पयलीं तुमी आनीकूय धरलेले सो तेंचे
Yeah, so the process is procedure because now we have a petrol vessel, so patrolling is being conducted morning and in the night also. So whenever someone is found doing some illegal activity, fishing,
So,
then
कारवाई जातली तेंचेर.
we file the case with the executing officer.
कितें फायन्स आणि कितें
We are not authorized to fine, but the case will be filed with the executing officer, and he will, put the fines or as per whatever the case is.
मॅडम आमी पळयत जाल्यार हे सगळे आतां इतले आमचे बेनावली हिंगा ते भितर पावपाक लागले ट्रॅडिशनल फिशरमॅन्स थिंगा पावपाक लागले सो तांकां भंय ना तांकां एवरी टायम तुमी सांगता वॉर्निंग दिता तरी ते भितर सरता आनी हे करता
I wouldn't say that there is no fear. The thing is that the fisherman always follows the fish, you can say. So wherever there is fish, the fisherman wants to go and fish that fish.
But there is a territory also, right?
There is a territory, but usually what happens is that when you go out for fishing, you do tend to swear in this side or that side.